is so exciting here at Allure Realty that they are putting Tampa on the national stage once again by selling luxury waterfront homes. It's so nice to see this business open and grow right here in Ybor City. To have a woman-owned minority business run by a veteran that is doing so well here in Tampa is something that just makes me beyond proud.
Being a minority woman and being on TV, you don't have to be catty, you don't have to fight all the time. There's work to be done, and we can accomplish that work. We're going into luxury, and we're going to take over that market. It's amazing. You know, I am the first black female to make it to international TV, so it's just amazing. I can show my daughters, I can show my family, I can show little girls out there that whatever you dream, you can do.